Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to install the Zl1 1LE bumper for the Camaro from 2016 and 2018. The part number is vz101813. For more information, please check out our website. And also, if you guys haven't checked out our video how to assemble the Zl1 1LE bumper, I will put the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So this is how the bumper got taken off after you remove all the bolts, the tabs on top and bottom, also on the sides. So we're gonna go ahead and start to install the new bumper on. So first thing first, you're going to jack up the car because the car is very low. You have to jack up the car. And next step, you have to take off your wheels. By any chance, you have to take off the wheels right there. And then after you take off the wheel, you have to take off the fender liner out like this, because they're gonna have like a lot of tab right there. And by all means, once you're done with all that tab, you're going to remove all of the bolts from here down all the way down here. Any bolt that you've seen, take it off. And that you're going to go to the bottom and take all the bolts under the bottom. And after that, you're going to take off all the bolts from here. You see the bolts right there? Take off all of them. Same thing with the other side. Take off the wheels, the fender liners, remove all the bolts that you can see, and after that, you finally remove the bumper. I know it's really a bit of difficulty to you guys. I would recommend that you guys take it to the shop or anything, because these procedures could take you more than 3 to 4 hours to take it off. The difficulty is a little bit high, so yeah. So after you guys successfully remove the new bumper, now we're going to go ahead and assemble like all of the material from the coming with the bumper and put it on. So if you guys haven't checked out like how to assemble the new bumper, link will be in the description below so you can check it out. So just a quick tip, you want to make sure this tab going up over the black thing right here, you can see, as long after you put it on, you heard the click sound, that means like you're good to go. But if you don't, just try to make sure these go over the black plastic right here, so that like it won't fall off on the street when you're driving very fast. You might wanna squeeze in these inside too as well, because as you can see, it's very like difficult to put it in. Use all your pressure to tap it on like this, by all means. As long as you heard the click, then you're good to go. This is like a step that just avoiding you to losing things from the bumper, so make sure everything is tied up. So after you're done with the side pieces right here and on the top pieces, now you're gonna go ahead and put the lip on, because let me tell you why you don't put the middle grill in there first, because like these tab, you guys can see right here, it's gonna go inside, because if you put the grill on it, it's gonna give you a hard time to put it on. So that's why you have to do the other way, which is you put the lip on first, then the middle grill and the other two pieces after you're done, which make your life more easier. This step is very difficult. I would recommend like at least 2 or 3 people, so that will be easier for you guys, because this tab, when you put it on, it's very painful. You want to make sure these tab, trying to like squeeze these up a little bit so you can put the tab going inside the bumper. And then after that, you're just gonna use your pressure to push it in pretty much. You want to make sure everything going up like that before you put the grill back on. Alright guys, just give you guys a quick tip real quick. So this part is very difficult for us, so in order for us to put everything fit well, just like this, as you can see, you have to kind of like drill a little bit of hole right here, so you can use your tool to kind of like, you know, tighten it up from the outside, just like this. So you can see the lip is totally grip it on. See, normal gap, nothing like that. So we kind of like want to make sure to do that. Very difficult. So after you finished install the lip on it, now you're gonna go ahead and put the grill on so that it will match it up, just like this. So guys, in this case, we're just gonna give you guys like a little heads up that we kind of like a little bit modification here right there. We just put like a little like bolt right there, so just in case like the pieces right here is not gonna fall off, because we just kind of afraid that it might fall off. So that's why we just put like 2 bolts right there, and on the other side as well. Okay. 2 bolts right there as well. So because the canards, it's something like this, you might want to put like the bolt on it too as well, so it will hold the canards. Just like this, as you can see, just like this. Kind of like trim the bolts smaller a little bit so we can put it on the sizes. There we go. Yep, the canards can be stable now. So after you guys done this, the canard might be okay at this point, but just to make sure, you want to have to have like a small rivet on the 2 sides right there, in order it to kind of like grip it still, so you can make sure like the canard's gonna fall off too as well. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of like make a holes right there. So as you can see, we drilled 2 holes right there for the bolt. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the rivet on. Yep, the canard is not gonna go anywhere now. We're gonna move on to the same thing with the other sizes. So, yep, the canard is not gonna go anywhere. Look, tight. Rivet. The final result, guys. Phenomenal, beautiful, very nice, and we are ready to put her on the car. When you're done, you have to kind of transfer all the clip from the previous bumper to this one right here, as you can see, like that. Transfer it like that. The rest of the clip right here until you finish. So we're gonna put it on back to the car. So like I said, these procedures at least requiring you more than 3 people. If more than 3, that's perfect, guys. Trying to put everything back organized to where it belongs. So gotta make sure everything's lined up. So it's look like this.
Không, nó vô tới đó à. Nó làm vô được tới đó sao vô được hết nữa.
Lỗi chứ rồi sao?
Nó
có cái bên kia không?
We're gonna put one bolt back on up there, so we can be able to hold the bumper for now while you kind of, and then after that is another bumper. So look, you wanna make sure you tap the one bolt up here, so you can kind of like tighten up the bumper, so we're not gonna go when you kind of like adjusting the car.
sure you wanna tap that bolt. So you have to put one clip back up here too as well. You can see the metal in the middle. Put it back there. Then following on, we're gonna keep bolted every bolt that we have. Just like that. And we're gonna put it back. Put the black pieces on right here. Gonna do the same procedures at in this side too as well. Make sure to clip everything in and put the bolt on. Just like this. Put the bolt back on top right there. And so everything's gonna be tied up like this. Gonna plug everything back before you put it on. Make sure the wire from the lights on the corner right here, just plug it in. Just about like the wire thing, you know, take time and adjust it. Put it back on the bolt right there. If you see a hole, you can put it on. It totally fit. And by the way, you can actually move this around so you can adjust it right. You want to make sure you're gonna bolt every freaking bolt on here. Make sure it's tight. So after that, you're gonna kind of like put one of the pieces back here so you can make sure everything is go back to normal again. And after that, you just gotta use the bolt to kind of like put it on again. So you see there's a hole for the bolt right there. Just gotta kind of like squeeze it in, put everything back to normal. So you want to make sure to put everything back. So they have a tab, so all you gotta do is just put the tab back on. Any hole that you see around it, you gotta put the tab on, and then you should be good. See, there's a tab right there. More tab. All you gotta do is just put the tab back on, and you're good to go. after you done on the left side, now we're gonna go to the passenger side and put the mold back in, and then just bolt on everything the same procedures as the previous one. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. Make sure you line up back, everything good again, so you can put the wheels back on. This installation, guys, definitely recommended to a professional if you cannot do it by yourself, or at least have more than 3 people. So you know, you guys can go ahead and remove the bumper, because this installation is very, very difficult. So just put these bolts back in like this. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right there. Also these 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you see everything that needs to be put the back bolt on. Go ahead and do that. Please make sure you check every corner. Okay, guys, see one more up here. Just keep rolling and rolling until you see nothing else. Put it back. And also, you want to make sure you put the bottom part back as well too. So after you put the left side and the right side, you're gonna go ahead and put the middle part back up. So you're gonna make sure everything, you know, go back to the bolt where it used to come along. From that, you're just gonna put the bolt back up. Simple as that. You take something off, you put it back. So after you're done, you just need to go ahead and put the wheels back on. Alright guys, this is the final result. The fitment is completely, absolutely madness and amazing. So if you guys find this video helpful, please leave us a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more video content like this. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.